One of the greatest truths of life is that as long as you depend on others, you will never discover your true strength. The day you lean to trust yourself is the day the hidden power within you awaken. Never hand over control of your life someone else. Do not give people so much authority that they can break your self respect and walk away. Remember, self respect is a priceless treasure. Once it is lost, even the greatest success feels incomplete. Not every smiling face is genuine. Some people apologize not because they are sorry, but because they are afraid their true intention will be exposed. Learn to recognize such people and keep the healthy distance from them. Build a heart so strong that your identity is not determined by who stays or who leaves. The world often throws more stones at the broken wall. So, no matter what happens, never allow yourself to fall apart. The greatest wealth in the world is not money, fame, or status. True wealth is peace of mind, restful sleep, and genuine happiness. If you have these things, you are truly rich. Life also needs a little freedom and adventure because birds that stay in cages too long eventually forget how to fly. Give your dream open skies. Allow your mind to explore new horizon and never let your spirit be trapped by limitations. If you choose a goal, stand firm like tree. Storm will come, challenges will test you, and people may try to discourage you. But never let your determination weaken. And if you fall in a way that allows you to rise again and continue your journey. Failure belongs only to those who stop trying. For those who keep moving forward, every setbacks become a lesson that leads them closer to success. Never turn away from your responsibilities. Your action saves your destiny, not the opinion of others. Often the people we care about the most understand us the least, but their perception does not define your future. Your future is determined by your efforts, your discipline, and your choices. Trust your path and keep moving forward with confidence. True strength is not found in external circumstances but in inner stability. When someone provokes you and you lose your temper, you hand your power over to them. But the person who can control their mind is the real winner in life. Make patience your strength and self-control your compassion. A calm mind can overcome challenges that anger never could. Never make fun of someone, especially when they are struggling. Every smile hides a story, and every person carries battle that others cannot see. Be kind because even a small act of compassion can become a ray of hope in someone's darkest moment. We rarely know the weight others person is carrying, so treat everyone with understanding and respect. No hardship is greater than the courage of the human spirits. No matter how difficult life becomes, there is always a solution. The person who refuses to quit cannot be stopped by any obstacle. Keep your thoughts positive, your vision clear, and your action meaningful. That is the path to success, and that is the true victory in life. When the world refuses to understand you, continue believing in yourself. When people ignore your goodness, continue being good. When the road becomes difficult, keep walking. Time eventually reward every sincere effort. Be patient and never lose faith. A tree must be watered every day, but its fruit appears only when the time is right. In the same way, your hard work will bear fruit when the moment arrives. Your greatest power is not your circumstances, it is your confidence in yourself. Never underestimate your worth. You are stronger than the realize. Life is a challenge, but those challenges are not meant to destroy you. They are meant to make you stronger. Rise, awaken your potential, and never stop until your dreams become your reality. Life teaches us something every single day, sometimes through experience, sometimes through relationships, and sometimes through struggle. Things that comes easily often lose their value over time, but the things we earn through patience, dedication, and hard work become our greatest achievement. Therefore, work for what truly matters, because success always tests those who are worthy of it. Sometimes a person does not need expensive gift or great favor. All they need is someone to ask, "Are you okay?" Sadly, many people never hear those simple words and end up carrying their pain alone. That is why relationships should be nurtured not only with words but also with genuine care and understanding. Not every relationship is pure, and not every display of affection is sincere. Some connections survive only on selfish interest. It is better to let go of such relationships than to carry their burden. Where there is no respect, understanding, and love, only pretense remains. Keep only those people in your life who values your presence and understand your feeling. Self-respect is one of the greatest treasure a person can possess. If someone repeatedly insults you, hurts your feeling, or takes advantage of your kindness, it is wise to walk away. Remember, no relationship is worth sacrificing your dignity. Honesty and simplicity are beautiful qualities, but being simple alone is not enough. Wisdom is equally important. Some people mistake kindness for weakness. Stay humble, but never allow others to take your silence for granted. Be compassionate, but learn to set healthy boundaries. Trust is the foundation of every strong relationship. When trust breaks, not only does the relationship suffer, but hearts are broken as well. Trust only those who genuinely intend to honor you. People who stay only for their own benefit often leave first when difficulties arise, while sincere people remain by your side through every storm. Challenges, hardships, and trials are not punishment, they come to make us stronger. Gold shines brighter after passing through fire. Gold shines brighter after passing through fire, and people grow stronger after facing adversity. So, when life becomes difficult, do not be afraid. These are the very moments that will one day become your success story. Fear is one of the greatest chains that can hold a person back. Any fear that weakens your confidence must be conquered. Opportunities are available to everyone, but success belongs to those who refuse to stop, refuse to give up, and continue moving forward despite obstacles. One of life's greatest truths is that your present is the result of your past thought and actions, while your future depends on the decision you make today. Think positively, act honestly, and take each step wisely. The seeds you plant today will determine the harvest you receive tomorrow. Love is not merely physical attraction. True love is a connection between souls, built on the soul, lasts forever. Real love knows how to wait, how to sacrifice, and how to remain faithful without selfish expectation. Many people will speak sweet words, but not every sweet word is true. Others may tell you difficult truths, yet they are often the ones who genuinely care about your growth. Value those who are honest with you, even when their words are hard to hear. The bravest person is not the one who never falls, but the one who rises every time after falling. No matter how long the night may seem, morning always arrives. No matter how deep the darkness is, even the small light can overcome it. So keep smiling, keep moving forward, and keep believing in yourself. You were not created to surrender. You were created to break limit, achieve greatness, and inspire the world. But always remember, no one can break your spirit unless you chooses to give up. Therefore, keep your inner strength alive, stay firm on the path of truth. Continue performing noble action. The day you change your decisions and mindset is the day your life begins to change. We often spend so much time looking at others, people's achievement and happiness that we forget to appreciate the blessing God has already given us. True success belongs to the person who knows how to mend what is broken and reconcile those who have drifted apart. Life does not change in the few minutes, but a thoughtful decision made in a few minutes can transform an entire lifetime. Take your decision seriously. Failure is not the end, it is a lesson. The gifts that give you an opportunity to improve and become better. When fortune changes circumstances and relationships often change as well. Once we were stubborn, now we have learned patience. Once every little thing made us angry, now we have gained the strength of endure every situation. Responsibility and hardship shape us in ways we never imagined. Compulsions keep us awake late at night, and responsibility wake up early in the morning. That is life, a journey where our priorities gradually change. Change can be painful, but it is also necessary. Without change, there can be no progress and no true wisdom. Embrace transformation because every changes carry the seed of growth. Never be arrogant about your strength. You may be powerful, but that power is also a gift from God. Strength used in pride leads to destruction, while strength used in service, compassion, and dedication creates a lasting legacy. Those who claim that human nature and character never change forget one important truth. Sometimes a single wound can change everything. An injury to the hand may alter a signature, but an injury to the heart can transform a person's nature. Relationships endure when they begin with the heart rather than with need. Connections built only on convenience eventually collapse, but those built on love and sincerity stand the test of time. I may have many flaws, but I possess one quality. I never turn away from those I have truly accepted as my own. Genuine relationships are not situated. Genuine relationships are not sustained by word alone. They are nurtured by loyalty, trust, and emotion. Do not place your expectation on the world because the world is constantly changing. Place your trust in the one who created it. Be patient because sometimes you must go through your darkest season before receiving your greatest blessing. The person who faces difficulties with patience and confidence is the one who ultimately achieves success. Just because you love someone does not mean they will love you in return. Love is not merely about receiving. It is about remaining committed. Holding someone's hand is easy, but holding it with honesty, loyalty, and dedication through every season of life is what true love really means. Pay attention to actions more than words because many people make promises but only a few truly keep them. Every individual is unique in and possesses hidden strength. No one is truly weak. Some people simply need more time to discover their potential. Never compare yourself to others. Instead, recognize your abilities, trust your talent, and move forward with confidence. If something is living your life, Do not be afraid. It may simply be making room for something better that is meant for you. Sometimes God does not give you what you want because He is preparing something even better. Every circumstances, no matter how difficult, contains something positive within it. The differences lies in your perspective. Those who can find hope in adversity and light in darkness are the ones who truly understand the art of life. Some of the most precious moments of life are spent with true friends. These are the moments the world calls time, but we call life. Genuine companionship and heartful connections are life's greatest treasure. Meaningful conversation do not require fancy word of special occasions. They only require a sincere connection. Where soul connect, even silence becomes comforting. Tearing paper is easy. Tearing cloth is harder. Breaking iron is harder still. But the most difficult thing is life is repairing broken trust. Never betray someone's trust, because even if can be restored, it may never be exactly the same again. Trust is one of the most valuable gift we can give and receive. Live every day with faith, gratitude, dedication, and self-confidence. Appreciate what you have. Work hard for what you desire and let go of what has already passed. You were created to move forward, not to remain stuck in the past. Endure today's pain because it may become tomorrow's strength. The struggle that make you cry today may one day become the reason for your product smile. The struggle that make you cry today may one day become the reason for your proudest smile. The most difficult experience in life often provided the deepest wisdom and the greatest inner strength. Everyone has imperfection, and sometimes those imperfections bring people closer together. The person who truly understands you is often your greatest companion. Learn from the mistake of others and from your own experience. Relationship may be formed easily, but maintaining them with sincerity and respect is one of life's greatest responsibility. Your actions create your future, and with faith in God, you should never lose hope. As long as you believe in your goodness and integrity, no obstacle can truly defeat you. Spread love wherever you go, because the more kindness and love you spare, the more peace and happiness return to your own life. Shape your thoughts and habits wisely, for they determine your character and your destiny. Just as countless drops of water from river and ocean, your daily thoughts and actions shape the courage of your time. Time, circumstances, and people may change, but truth, character, and faith remain. Keep dreaming, keep growing, and never lose your self respect. Stay true to yourself, trust your journey, and remember that your greatest strength comes from within. Guys, if you liked my video, please like it and share and do subscribe my channel so that you may get the notification whenever I upload the video on YouTube. Thank you guys. Thank you for listening me.